Hey everybody, good morning. It's 10 o'clock. We're getting on a flight to go to San Diego. I've got an appointment at 1:30 today for my McLaren. Gonna go on a test drive. I'm so excited. I didn't bring my driving gloves, but I did bring my driving shoes. I've had these for a long time. Check it out. The guys don't know it yet, but I'm serious. We'll see if the salesman actually wants to go for a ride with me, or he'll let me take it by myself. But I'm super excited, so stay tuned. Here we go. They made me sign a release. If I break it, I bought it. Kind of like when you went into the store when you were a kid, and your mom was like, don't touch. Well, I'm gonna touch today. Let's go have some fun. Are you Tony?
I am.
Tony?
Good to see you. How was the flight?
Flight was great. Weather's great. We just had lunch at the fish place right here.
Oh, yeah, El Pescador.
Yeah, excellent stuff. So we driving the Spider?
Yeah, so all we have is Spiders in stock. The design brief for the 750 was to take a 765, drop 85 kilos, make it faster and less expensive. So it's a faster car that's lighter, that shares a lot of the technology.
Oh, okay.
So were you looking for a Spider or a coupe?
A Spider.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I've actually got 5. I've got 2 that are out right now.
Uh-huh.
What we're trying to do is put you in the car that's closest to the spec that you'd be interested in. For instance, I'm not a big fan of the sports seats. My butt's too big. I don't love the feel of those.
Yeah, my wife is not gonna like that.
Well, if she's not gonna like this, she'll definitely not like the Senna seats. Yeah, the Senna seats are they're carbon shells.
Uh-huh.
They're more comfortable and there's more room in them.
Right.
But they're still fixed back and forth seats and they're carbon shells. Just hop in and get a feel for it.
Oh yeah, but I like that.
Yeah, it's a great feel when you're in them if you fit, absolutely.
All right.
Much more comfortable.
How long have you been selling here, Tony?
I've been here a little over 2 years. I've been in the car business for 20 something.
Sales the whole time?
Sales, management, not on the service side though. I don't want to fix them, I want to drive them and play with them. So your powertrain's in sports, handling is in sport now, and that's all right here, and you'll get that right here. And I'll show you again when we switch over.
So if you change sport here, it'll automatically change your suspension?
No, you can do them independently.
Okay.
The idea is to be able to, I want powertrain in sport, but I want a comfort ride.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the cool thing when you drive this car, and you'll see it when we pull off, is that the suspension is very supple. It smooths off the rough edges.
Yeah.
And it's actually fun to drive. It's a car that you can sit in all day and drive.
gonna get it? I live in the neighborhood, so I just thought I'd say hi. And,
Oh, I guess I announced what time I was going to be here
yeah,
today.
I just live a couple minutes from here, so I'd cruise.
What's your name?
Carl.
Are you a mechanic or just car enthusiast?
BMW guy and a mechanic, yeah. Ripped on a few cars, yeah.
Well, Carl, thanks. It's nice to meet you and come down here. Am I going to get it? You know? Is this your Beamer?
Yeah.
Beautiful, man. This thing's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's got 22,000 miles.
Yeah.
And went and looked at it 2 days ago and bought it. It was like, it was the car.
Oh, you just got it then?
Just, literally just.
Oh.
This is the furthest trip other than from the dealer to my house that I've driven it.
This is nice to have a BMW enthusiast following me, man, because, you know, most of my stuff is diesel and,
I know.
you know, big, ugly, nasty diesels. And again,
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Enjoy, man.
They're splitting that duct tooth to the intercooler.
So everything's functional. There's nothing that's here to look
Good,
pretty.
yeah. They're cramming that air through those coolers, aren't they? Wow.
check out the tires, man. We're going off-roading, man.
Yeah, Serato.
So my thoughts are, loved it, absolutely loved it. Tony's a great sales guy. We had a wonderful ride. Handles instantly. The sound, the gurgle, the popping out of the exhaust. As an engine guy, you know, that just lights me up. I love that. I don't have a bad thing to say about it. You know, I'm not a guy that's gonna probably buy a black car, so we're gonna sit here and we're gonna configure one. So let's do that. A mat, do we have mats?
You can order matte from McLaren. It'll take forever to get it. The simple way to do it is exactly what I do with my 911. So you do PPF, which you're going to do anyway. And instead of gloss, you do satin PPF. It turns the color satin.
It'll matte the paint?
Yeah, that's exactly what it does. But you'd still get, like if you do a metallic paint, you'll still get all the metallic.
Well, let's go to like a military spec, like a gray or...
So the closest thing we're going to have to that is going to be...
Yeah, let's just go to that top right, the one you got highlighted.
So the ceramic gray.
On the ceramic gray one that our Beverly Hills store has, I sent.
That's the color we're looking at?
Color we're looking at, yeah.
Oh, cool.
So this is the car. And then I have the build here. I'll pull them all up and then we can scroll through them. So this one has the electrochromic roof, which is rad, and I have a car outside that has it as well.
Oh, so when the roof's up, it's got,
That's clear, and then when you hit that button, that goes dark blue.
Whoa.
So that's what it looks like when you push the button. That's what it looks like when it's clear. There's ceramic gray. These are the wheels that are on there. So we have paint, wheels. These are all the different brake color calipers. This car has black pack.
Now, what did it add, the black pack? All the...
So black pack, here, 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 all those things turn black.
I like that. Okay. This on the mirrors?
Yeah, the mirror caps are black.
Okay.
So what they did on this build, this is with the black pack, that's normally black. They actually made it body color to make that look bigger. This configuration, to me, is the best. If you do this in carbon fiber or you do that in carbon fiber, to me, it looks like it's aftermarket.
Can we look at the whole car now? Okay. You're right. I see what you're talking about.
It just looks aftermarket.
Yep.
I see these cars all the time.
A little bit
And I
much.
Try to get a feel for what people are looking for. If you're 25 or 30,
Yeah.
you want that look, you want that tuner look,
Yeah.
then this makes sense.
Yeah, but I don't. Yeah.
It has the sound comfort windscreen, so it's a thicker front windshield with glazing to make it quieter when you're driving the car. This car has it. Performance interior, and then you have carbon black with ember orange. Comfort seats. So that's the interior.
Yeah.
These are the seats that we drove in.
Right.
Practicality, it's got the Americas pack, which has USB rear plate frame, carbon fiber, carbon valve stem covers, microfiber cloth, the tire cradles, which are kind of cool, but they're not necessary, but they're cool. Car cover, McLaren bag, battery charger, all that stuff.
Allie, what do you think, baby? Let's print this off and can you send me a picture of this?
I'll forward you the email,
Yeah.
because that has all the pictures in it.
This is the guy. Tony has done such a great job today. If you're in Southern California, you want to come down here and really be treated right.
Anywhere in the country.
Come see Tony, man. You're the man, dude.
Cool, I'll walk you out.
Yeah. All right, so just really enjoyed the ride, the acceleration, the shifting. Really just, man, spot on and instantaneous. Take it home, take the build sheet. They've got one that I like. It's in their Beverly Hills, and I'll think about it. I think I still want to go check out the Ferrari, so we'll see. Give me a little time. I'm a patient man and I'll make the decision. Thanks. Now we're headed back to Utah.